How to make a gentle light like a sunset even on a cloudy day. When shooting outdoors, the weather can make or break a photo. In this video, I will show you how to make a gentle sunset-like light even on a cloudy day. First, we'll try taking a photo underneath a cloudy sky. The shooting location should be under the bridge so that the light from the overcast sky will hit from the side. The light hitting the subject is very gentle, but without any impact. So we'll add the Godox 8200 orange filter and we shoot from an angle set back about 3 meters from the subject and create a half backlight. The light from the flash hits the subject here, creating a beautiful hairlight, and we are using an orange filter so it makes the light look like a sunset. We'll take another photo, but we want the subject face to be brighter, and we want the orange light to look natural, so by holding a rounded reflector in one hand, we try to bounce a flash out of it. The light shining through the subject here is like a nice orange color of a sunset. The full image is an amber color, and the photo is impactful while remaining gentle. When shooting outdoors when it is cloudy, you can make the subject look as if the evening sun is shining on it by using a semi-backlit flash. The main point to remember are to use an orange filter to create the color of a sunset and to bounce a light onto the subject from a reflector. How nice is that?